G'day, you absolute legends. Stu here from UAVfutures, and have you ever been super pumped about something you can't wait to start, however, you can't do it or it's just not going to work out? Well, that is what is happening right at the moment, and I'm a little bit, I'm not going to say pissed about it, but I'm a little bit frustrated because I want to make so much FPV content for you guys. However, in the background, check this out. We have had so many of these skips. There is so much construction going on at my property. It's full of concrete, steel, cement, timber. There is so much stuff in there, and there is a heap of work getting done over here as well. You can see behind me a heap of like demolished stuff because about 2 years ago, well, we had some terrible floods. You can see the pictures on the screen or something as I'm talking. It wasn't great. There was a lot of damage to the property, and finally 2 years later, and a massive fight, the insurance has kind of come to the party, so things are actually getting repaired now, which means it is really hard to make content because there's been about 12 trucks that have come in and out of here, either doing deliveries or taking away rubbish and soil and just a whole bunch of stuff over there. There's people cutting the steel and grinding things down and jackhammering, doing whatever. So and we got a plane flying overhead, but it makes it really difficult to do a video for you guys because I've got heaps of stuff. There's so much stuff on the bench. I've been flying things around, testing products, doing little builds, some really cool things that I can't wait to show you. That plane's pretty low there. Tell X-Jet Bruce, lower than 100 meters. However, it sounds terrible when I'm trying to film a video and in the background you can just hear people and machines cutting and angle grinders going off and stuff like that. So yes, if you've seen my channel or you're wondering, gee, what is Stuart up to? He was super keen about making videos. I am still here. I am more keen than ever. I'm rocking the fresh shirts for you guys. But today's Sunday, so finally we get a day off when they're not here. It's just been a little bit tricky to try to make videos for you guys, so bear with me. A huge shout out to everybody who has been supporting the channel. It has been great to see the feedback and the positivity that is surrounding UAVfutures and getting people into FPV. Huge shout out to my Patreons, because look, the amount of love that you guys have shown with me has been like next level. So I am very, very grateful for everything you do for this channel. Look, the sun's just come out there, but I wanted to make this update video for you guys. I'm not being slack. I'm not just doing nothing, sitting around. I'm still testing products and I'm still doing everything that's not in front of the camera for UAVfutures. However, it's just been kind of crazy at the moment because, well, you can see exactly, imagine how much noise this makes getting this stuff out, cutting steel, all that sort of junk. So anyway, on that, subscribe for more FPV related content. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will be back as soon as this is done. As soon as the trucks are out of here, I will be back making content for you guys, having some fun, going to the field, flying around, testing new FPV products. We've got some cool things from, I think it's like sub 250s. We've got some Cadex stuff that I filmed a little while ago, but I need to do the second half of that video. That's coming out, but it's under NDA, so I can't show you that. I've got another product from a very big, well-known brand that everybody knows, but I can't talk about that as well, so that's half done, as well as some other products that have been sent. So there's heaps of stuff coming. If you've got some ideas, some things you want to see, or some guides or builds or anything that you're interested in, please put those comments down below. Subscribe for more FPV related content, and probably my number one message, wherever you are in the world, be kind to each other, but most importantly, be kind to yourself, because you deserve it. You are awesome. And for those who are wondering, I'm going to try and link, it might be a video, or I know it's at the moment a podcast about mental health. So I was on a podcast with Noelle a little while ago, just talking about mental health in general, ADD, some stuff like that. So if you'd like some more detailed information, or I guess what it was like in my life and that sort of stuff, that should be in the link down below as well. So anyway, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy construction and happy flying.